Hey you, today we're going to be trading and yes, that's us this girl because she promised me some gifts. So have my gifts. So let's just put this in full sling. So I want to see if it was this girl because I remember it was for sure. Look, yeah, she said that she would. Can I? Yes, I'm. Ooh, did she say something? Because I feel like she did. Yes. Souls went out. Went out of what? Huh? Went out of what? Oh, look, guys, she wants to trade.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she's doing it, guys. Said to send back the other.
You can take upstairs. Want me to?
Okay, yes. I'm just gonna talk to my mom. No, this girl, what am I saying? Crazy me. So, yeah, she's giving us the gifts, which, oh my god, I wonder if there's a rat. I'm like so excited. Let's go on my gift. First, let's trade with this girl. She wants me to conquer in there. Let's trade. Yay, it's working. So, yeah, she's sending me gifts, and yeah, let's do this one. This is a rare, I'm sure. Ooh, she's giving me butterfly hair, so yeah, I'll just give it these. She's sending a lot of gifts here. Let's go on my profile and see them. Ooh. I sent my gift. Now you send butterfly XX. So guys, she's sending me. She said she'd send me 2 rares, but I also sent her some stuff because she wanted this exact thing. It was hard to get the exact thing. That's an ultra. Oh my god, I'm gonna scream. What's this? Is that Miss Cody?
Now.
Probably not. Oh, I love that one. That's my favourite. Guys, she gave me loads of red. I just want to say shout out to her. Why did she give me that? I didn't give her that. Oh yeah, that was also mine. Oh yeah, I'm already wearing it. So, how is that possible? Oh, I Gym Buddies as well. That's nice. I just want to say big shout out to her because this is an ultra here. The skirt, which is over there. And, this hair. Oh god. I feel crazy. Oh, I'm so excited.
Yes.
Ooh, I think she gave another one. You better not have. You better not have. You got a big. Oh. Shout out on my YouTube. Thank you for not scamming. Guys, if you're wondering, people have been saying like I'm 6 and I'm not because that was a bit rude because they were being rude and stuff. So, guys, I'm actually 8, so, and I'm new to this, so you don't be rude. I need to sort out like I'm gonna wear all rares. Yeah, let's do that. Dressing room recording. Say hi because I am recording. So guys, I just want to say 400 million shoutouts to her. I think I just got a trade. Okay, I just did. Yeah. I think she just did it or not. I don't know. Ugh. Accept. Guys, I just got butterfly hair as well, so yay. And I will accept that as well. I just got butterfly hair, guys, which I'm really excited about because that is also a rare. She promised that to me. Today's a great day, guys. Let's go on my hairs here and just wear it because butterfly hair I've always wanted, as everyone knows that. You probably do. Let's just find it first. I have a lot of hairs, guys. Let me just move this over here. Guys, there's... Oh, no, I was only can't see my character. I'll move it. I'll move it here. That works. Okay, so guys, look, I found it. Yay! Okay, now, I traded you it. OMG, thanks. Okay, shout out to her. You got a shout out. Wait. I feel like something weird's happening. No. RT again. I mean, she's a good trader. And she's not a scammer, guys. Go trade with her. And shout out to her. Like every video she should get a shout out for being kind. Another shout out to her. This girl's kind enough to give me those rares. I need to change. Like, really, guys, I need to change. Because right now I'm like a zombie and crazy. So, oh wow. Let's get that. Oh my god, I can't believe she sent me that school code. Let's move this over here. Down here. Okay. Let's find a top to go with it. Does that go with it? No. Oh my goodness, I just can't find a place to put you, do I? Just can't. I'll put you here. I'll just get her out the way now. But let's wear something really pretty because we want to be pretty. I find something. Okay, let's go do this. This girl is so kind, guys. Shout out to her again. So let me just go on here now. Yay, I got loads of rares. Let's find a rare. Oh, this is an ultra. Can I do ultra? Okay, guys, I'm always free to trade this one. If she doesn't want it, then yeah, I'm gonna be free to trade it. BC, I have one for you. BC means because. Well, I kind of have no ultras. Okay. I guess, rare. Oh my goodness. Trade! I spelled it right. Alright. No, she doesn't have a VIP because I wanted to send her a dress. Well, I'm not sending my sorbet, guys. Sorry, don't do it. I don't do it. Too good to be sold out for me. Tired. I have sleek hair. I forgot what that is. Will you make a RT of it, please? Please. XX. I have an addiction with doing. I forgot what sleek is. JK. Thanks. Oh guys, everyone is saying that this one here, right, I'll put it there. This one here is a rare. I don't know if it is or not, guys. I don't trade if you offer them because I already have it. And I don't know if it's rare or not, so sorry guys. Don't do it with me. There's my ultra, there's my ultra. I have an ultra. I'm free to rare trade if you like. I'm free. I'm free. Making. I'm tired. I'm really excited. Yup. Yes. I'm just gonna carry on writing. I'm gonna fill up the whole screen.
You can transfer it straight into it. In finance.
Okay, that filled up the screen.
Coinbase.
Oh,
And on
given.
Coinbase, you can buy Bitcoin.
guys, I have given these to my mum as well. VIP gifts, guys. I really need a VIP ticket, so if you have one, that'd be great. So yeah, please send them. That's all. So guys, I do not recycle my rares. My hairs are not really recycled. So yeah. No one wants recycled points. My trades are waiting. Yeah, I'm waiting for this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. This one. History. What? Oh, these are the ones I've traded, obviously. So I think that's her old rare she never wanted. That's what she told me. Oh, that. Oh, that's not a rare, guys. That's not a rare. I'm just gonna rare trade. Oh wow, I'm so tired. Let's just RT, not Ultra. XXX. Okay. I really clicked into it. Ooh, hallelujah. Let's trade again. With an Ultra. No, not Ultras. She said that no Ultras. I'm sorry. We'll do a rare trade, guys. How about if I give a Ultra and you send 2 rares? BC, I have loads. I don't think I have loads, but I have sleek. Loads. Loads of. Oh my god. Sleek! Oh, sleep. Skeek. Sleek. I can't spell. Yep. Smile for the camera. Where is the where? What I was talking about. People. Where is it? Where is it? Where is the rat? I'm just gonna. Oh wow. Really tired, guys. Right, my friend told me a rhyme and it goes like this, okay. Like, and subscribe. Please, just 22. It's a Ultra. Please. How about give